If you want your designs to automatically adapt to each product's color palette, here's how to use dynamic color in Marpipe. I've got a simple layout here, a product on top, white background, and a few shape elements behind it to add visual interest. Right now, those background shapes are just gray. When I shuffle between products, nothing changes. So let's fix that. Click on one of your shape elements. In the color property, choose dynamic, and now select the image field you want to pull color from. Typically, the main product image will work just fine. Marpipe will generate 4 color lanes based on that image, ranked from most prominent to darkest tones. You can choose whichever lane fits your design. For this example, I'll select one of the lighter dominant tones, and now I'll repeat that on the second background shape. When we shuffle between products, you'll see the background automatically adjust to match the product's color palette. That means every SKU gets a custom feeling design without building separate creatives. And you can push this further. We can add another rectangle, send it to the back, assign a different dynamic color lane, maybe a darker tone for contrast. And now you've got depth, variation, and brand cohesion all dynamically powered by the product image itself without doing it all separately and manually. That takes forever. This works especially well in carousels where each card shifts colors as using swipe. It feels intentional, it feels custom, and it's fully automated. That's dynamic color in Marpipe.